I'm really interested in what your views are for Bitcoin and what you're seeing in the sort of market. If there's anything you can share.
To give you one data set, like I can give you like some information, high level information from our desk. Since January 20th, about 60% of the volume that we had coming from clients were to buy Bitcoin, and only 40% was to sell Bitcoin. So, what I'm trying to say is that 60% was buy, 40% was sell. This is a very common ratio that folks in trading desks call, which is the buy sell ratio, right? So, our buy sell ratio is 60 over 40, which is 1.5. This is actually relatively high. I mean, for like large institutional desks that have two-way flows, 1.5 is not a small number. Like if you take probably Ethereum, Solana, this number is a lot closer to zero point 0.9 to 1 point something. While for Bitcoin, these flows have been really strong, and this is basically spread across pretty much all the investors' personas. So like hedge funds, you can think about like retail aggregators, like you folks. So very interesting to see that. I think from the institutional side, we still see pretty strong appetite. If you combine that with the fact that ETF flows in January were actually very strong, it was like a little over $5 billion, which is more than what we saw in December. And I think most of that ETF flow is actually real money. I'm not sure if we would call it institutional, but at least mainstream finance type of flow. So the main question that I think a lot of folks are trying to grapple with is like, okay, fine. So the institutions are buying. The ETF flows are strong. February is going to be a little weaker, but at least until January they were strong. So who's selling, right?